we're hanging out today here in Miami. Where are we going?
305. We're going to the Doral City Place. I think that's what it's called. But we're gonna go to the Improv.
We'll be out there. I guess join the Miami boys, right? Home team in La Casa.
We're gonna be hanging out with the usual suspects, aka djlaz, Too Nice, and we're gonna hang out with another social media group, Only in Dade. We're gonna be hanging out with them.
That'll be cool.
Yeah, we're gonna say what's up to all those guys out there.
And you guys are coming along for the ride, so let's go.
Let's do it. Finally getting out the house.
For her.
Guys, if you're not familiar with Doral City Place, what it is a whole bunch of shops, restaurants, entertainment centers, and even a movie theater located in about a 3 to 4 block radius. And on top of those shops, we have apartments that people live in.
All right, so we just made it to City Place and La Casa.
Ya tú sabes, apuntando y tirando. Here to meet up with the homeboys.
And look who we found. And look who we found.
Ya tú sabes que lo que es, mi gente. Ya tú sabes, estamos aquí, estamos activos. You know what I'm saying? Fresco Channel, live and direct.
Always.
Casual collab.
I like the colors, man. Looking fresh.
Thank you, man. We already know what it is. Estamos activos, another day, another dollar.
Yo, man, I tell you, man. Unity. We've been friends for so many years. We've been supporting each other since day one. We go back like fat crayons. We set an example for you guys, man. It's about love and support. Love and support.
Here we go.
Okay guys, and that is true. We know each other for a very long time, so we always come and support each other in different events. And tonight is no different because Cito is going to perform his song and also Too Nice. And if you notice, this is the first event hosted in Miami in phase 1 of the quarantine because only 25% of capacity is allowed in the club.
Listen, people. First of all, welcome to the Improv. That's number 1. That requires a round of applause after that. We got a coach.
People over here telling me, Bobby, how many drinks have you had? Your first one? The third one?
No, better.
Oh my God, this guy's like,
Gooch. By the way, because I'm everybody's uncle apparently. So give it up for Fireman Gooch. Right. Which I tried to talk him out of that whole Gooch name. When he called me, I'm not gonna lie, he was like, hey, what do you think, Fireman Gooch? I'm like, really? You know what Gooch is, right? It's the part between your balls and...
Can I explain myself for a second? I'm not gonna go into details, but hey, it's a long story. It was a blurry night, and there was a lot of tequila. Don't judge me. I'm not judging you.
No problem.
Why are you looking at me?
No problem. I'll take the pimp with the lip over Gooch any day, just so you know. Because, oh, by the way, hey Gooch, check this out. Hey, real talk. How many people, and I need you to be honest right now, how many people knew that djlaz had a limp for real? Like, show of hands. Now, how many people, be honest, don't lie. How many people had no clue that I had a limp? Okay, yeah, you're the only one. Okay, got you. Congratulations. I thought he was just an asshole. I said the pimp with the limp. Okay, no, by the way, that reaction happens a lot. Whoa, and let me tell you why. Okay. The best one ever though, years ago, back when I used to be on Power 96, years ago. Good times, by the way, good times. Hey, give it up one time for Only in Dade. We are what you call an equal opportunity, I don't know if you want to call it employer, but we associate and say, look, this is a white Dominican. Give it up, Casey Chops. Gooch, watch this. Hey, when you get a Mac to a Dominican chick or a Spanish chick in general, what's your flow? Go.
¿Qué es lo que tú me dices, mami? ¿Cómo te sientes?
Whoa.
Yo, we have one over here at the edge of our seat. She says,
me.
I want him now.
El tigre blanco.
$200. She wants you for now.
Gooch, we are gonna auction off by the end of the night. I like this.
You, girl, you
I like
better
this.
stop it.
I like this. Hey, how about since we all love to have a good time here in the MIA and we love music, how about we have a couple of performers come out? Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Solo D and Two Nice.
Okay guys, due to copyright issues, I cannot play the whole song, but if you guys want to check it out, you could go to any music platform and download it. Only in Dade by Too Nice and Solo D.
I got a pair of flip-flops and a tank top. So where we at? My life got spinning now, can't stop. So where we at? Sipping cafecito on them little cups. So where we at? In MIA we get it live like the Super Bowl. In MIA we get it live like the Super Bowl. 305, let's go. Hey man, shout out to everybody in the building and make sure y'all download that song. Solo D, Too Nice, djlaz.
Hey yo, Solo, right quick. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise one time for djlaz.
The legendary djlaz.
The party gonna continue, right?
I got you.
All right. Whoa. I'm gonna go into my reporter voice. Are you ready?
We're coming live right now from Black Rock with Gooch. Go.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. We're live here only in Channel 1 here. To my left, everyone. Wow, look at this. We have 2 gas masks here, 2 buckets. What is she wearing? Number 1. Forget about the mask. What is she wearing? That is a fashion violation. Everybody put your cheeks up right now, ladies and gentlemen. Only there. Let's go. I like that. Okay. Shout out.
I want to introduce to you my boy Cito Rocks, along with Too Nice, who just dropped this record on my label called Lip-A-Lot Records. Yes, I took it there, motherfucker. Yes, I did. Give it up one time for Cito Rocks and Too Nice.
Como mi gente, me tienen trabajando, ¿verdad? Cito, talk to him.
Okay guys, once again, due to copyright issues, I cannot play the song. But I know you guys heard it if you guys follow me on Instagram. It's Cito Rocks and Too Nice, No Fuyo. And if you want to download it, you can get it at any music platform.
Make some noise one time for Cito Rocks.
Yo, I grew up listening to djlaz on Pi 96. If you grew up listening to djlaz, make some motherfucking noise. I ain't gonna lie. I listened to this dude. I used to ride my bike to the radio station. I'm like, yo, this man. Now, I'm gonna tell you something. Because of that, he was the first DJ to show me a lot of love, a lot of, support. Growing up, listening to him, we became really good friends over the years. I love you. But the best thing about hanging out with djlaz, because of, I'm gonna tell you what it is. We get all the best parking.
Yes. Yes. Today we was like, yo, everybody pull up. Don't worry, we're pulling up to the djlaz with us. All right.
That handicap sticker comes in handy. I love you guys.
Give it up one time for Cito Rocks.
Vamos a seguir comiendo y tomando y ya tú sabes que es lo que no hay que decir más nada.
Yo, I come in handy a lot. Ready? Christmas time? Call me. I will take you to the mall. No problem. Disney, we can finish Disney. My record is 18 minutes. Every goddamn right. And by the way, if you ever want to go out of the country, you want to go with. Whoa. I'm telling you, those long lines at the airport?
Oh, disabled! Because you're disabled!
As soon as we get off the plane, they're like, no, señor, por aquí. We are out of the airport before the car.
Now that was some good performance, but now it's time to have some fun with the audience. And as you can see, it's a challenge to see how good you can dance. And the benefit of knowing Laz, Cito got put into the challenge.
6 feet apart. I'll trust you in that outfit. I give it up for P.o Box. He's gonna Cito. Let's go, baby. Cito, take a seat, Cito. Cito, let's go, Cito.
Hold up. If I'm gonna do this and y'all gonna make me the sacrifice lamb, I need to do it to esa morena.
We need Cito to sit on the chair. He is the sacrifice lamb. Let's go, baby. Let's sit right here. Let's go. All right. You know it. Sing along. Let's
Now, I don't know if we really want to call this a sacrifice or a benefit. What do you think? Okay, the dance lasted about a good 5 minutes. That I'm pretty sure that he'd enjoy. But the night was getting over and we had to head over to another event.
So listen, it was a crazy show. Fresco Channel exclusive.
You already know what it is. Fresco Channel exclusive. Cito Rock, too nice. Improv, Miami.
It's crazy. I'm surprised that you're gonna have to bleep and like put an X on a lot of the stuff.
Okay guys, so this is the first event attending after the quarantine, and it felt pretty good because it seemed that at least things are trying to get back to normal. And it's always good to hang out with old friends and meet new ones.
Listen, only a day, Fresco Channel, we out here. These guys are hustling. Come get your vibes, onlyaday.com. That's where they roll.
So we're gonna have to cut it short because of the situation that's going on here in Miami.
Okay guys, the situation is that the protest is turning into riots in downtown Miami. The mayor has issued a 9 o'clock curfew for Dade County. So it's about 8:30, so we decided to make it safe and started to head home.
Get out of this here, guys.
Ooh, I like that. That makes me hungry.
You gotta make room for the food. What do you guys think of this social distancing? I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's not, by the way, it's not Fresco Channel's fault. It's not Fresco Channel's fault. So don't leave a negative comment. He is not in control of what this facility does. But what do you guys think?
See, the normal is 6 feet. In Miami, 6 inches. That's what happens.
Hey, that doesn't sound right.
Oh yeah, that's true.